Good morning, dear students. How are you? Please be at home, follow the rules. This is a very big problem for our country and not for only our country, for the whole world. So, आप बाहर क्रिकेट नहीं खेलेंगे और जितना हो कम से कम बहुत जरूरी काम के लिए ही बाहर जाएंगे. ओके. So once again I am here with the topic cube and cube roots for class 8. Square and square roots I have already explained, not very much explained, not fully explained, but I hope you must be trying at your homes. So let us try for cube and cube roots. As I have told you, square and square roots or square of any number you were doing by multiplying the same number by the same number. Like if we have to get the square of 2, we were doing 2 multiplied by 2. So we were getting 2 2s are 4. 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. Sometimes what we do now, 3 square means 3 2s are 6 you write. That is wrong. So now we have cube. Cube means if we have written any number power is 3. That means a multiplied by a will be 3 times. Okay. So like we have 2 cube. So we can write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Or if we do 3 cube, so we can write 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Like that, okay? I hope it is very easy for you people. So already I have written the cubes of the numbers from 1 to 20. And already I have told you that for square and square roots, you should be in your mind always from 1 to 20, at least 1 to 20, the squares of any number. In the same way, you should have in your mind the cubes of the numbers from 1 to 20 at least for your benefit, okay, for the solving the questions. So once again, the way I told you in square and square roots, while doing the square of any number, we were getting some sequence. Like if we were doing the square of 1, we were getting 1. If we are doing the square of 11, we were getting the unit digit 1, 121. Again, if we are doing the square of 31, we must be getting the unit digit 1. Like if we are doing the square of 2, we were getting 4 as the unit digit. Square of 12, once again the unit digit was 4. Just like square of the number, we have something for the cubes of the number also. Listen, 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, something like that I have written, okay, up to 20. Now listen carefully. If we are doing the cube of any number whose unit digit is 1, unit digit is 1, okay, 1 cube means 1, 11 cube is 1331, but the unit digit is 1. In the same way, if we are doing the cube of 21, we will be getting the number, but unit digit will be surely 1. Remember that. Now, if any number is 2, unit digit is 2, unit digit is 2. So what we will get? The cube's unit digit will be 8. Remember this. 3, 13, 23, unit digit will be 7. 4, then 4. 5, then 5. 6, then 6. 7, then 3. See, if unit digit is 7, then unit digit will be, the cube's unit digit will be 3. Again, for 8 we have 2 and for 8 we have 2. For 8 we have 2. For 9 we have 9. For 9 we have 9. Okay. And for 10 that means 0. So we will get the 0 at the unit place. So this is something about cube and cube roots. Cubes. Now, how to find the cube roots of the given number? Listen. Just like squares and square roots we were doing. See. If we had to get the square root of 4, what we were doing? We were doing the prime factorization of 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So we were getting 2 multiplied by 2. So answer is 2. 1 2 was coming out from this square root symbol. In the same way, while doing or getting the cube root of any number, listen. Cube root means we have to put one 3 here. Inside this. Okay, inside this. This means we have to find the cube root. So we will write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So now in squares and square roots we were getting the pair, and in cube and cube roots we will make the triplet. So 3 2s are there, so 1 2 will come out. So cube root of 8 is 2. Just like that we can write like 64. We have to find the cube root of 64. So we will prime factorize the 64 here. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are 2. So listen now. 2 multiplied by 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 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2s are there. So because we have to get cube root, so 3 2s, 3 2s. Triplet we have to make. Triplet में से 1 2 will come out. From this triplet 1 2 will come out. So answer is 4. So cube root of 64 is what? 4. Okay. Let us take some more examples. Now, let us take some more examples and some properties of cube and cube root, and we have to check whether given number is a perfect cube or not. Just like we have a number 189. Check whether 189 is a perfect cube or not. Let us see. 189. 2 will not be dividing. 3 6 are 18, 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6, 3 1 are 3, 3 7 are 21, 7 1 are 7. So now 189. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. See, this is not a perfect cube because the triplet of 3 we are getting, but 7 is just like that. So only 3 will come out and this 7 will be under this cube root sign. This 7 will not come out because if we have to come out, this 3 has to come out. They were triplet. The 7 is alone. So this 7 will not come out. This is the required cube root. So we can say 189 is not a perfect cube. Let us take one more example. 216. Check whether 216 is a perfect cube or not. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 7s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are 3. So 216 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So triplet of 2 is there, triplet of 3 is there. So 216 is a perfect cube. And what will be the cube root of this? So 2 and 3 will come out. So 6 is the cube root of 216. That means if we do the cube of 6, we will get 216. So this is the way how to get the cube root of any number. Okay. But we don't have any division method to find the cube root of, like square roots. Okay. In square and square roots, we were getting a division method to find a square root and a prime factorization method to find the square root. But in cube and cube roots, for getting cube roots, we have only this method. Okay. Okay. Now, let us take some more examples and some properties. If we have any number in minus, while doing the square, surely we were getting plus a square. If we are doing the square of any number, we will always get a number in positive. But if we are doing the cube of any number, we will always get a number in negative. If two numbers a and b are there, a upon b, and whole cube means a cube upon b cube. Okay. And now, like if we have to get the cube of 4 by 7, so 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. So cube of 4 is 64, cube of 7 is 343. This is the answer. Okay. Let us take one more example, like find the smallest number by which 2560 must be multiplied. 2560. We have to find the smallest number by which this 2560 must be multiplied. One question I have taken from my book. I have a old book here. So you have your books. If you have, you please see your books. If you don't have, please practice from here only. 2560, one number we have already given. We have to check by which number this 2560 must be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Listen. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 0. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 2 2s are this 80, 40, 20, 10, 5 and 5 and 5. Okay. So 2560 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 2. 3, and 1 5 is remaining. Now listen. As we can see, we have triplet of 2. Once again triplet of 2. Once again triplet of 2. 5 is remaining. 2 more 5s are required to make it a perfect cube. 2 more 5 means if we multiply this number by 5 into 5. So triplet of 5 will be there. So 5 5s are 25 is the number by which we should multiply this 2560 to make it a perfect cube. The question would have been by which number should we divide the given number. So division means we have to divide it by 5 to make it a perfect cube. क्योंकि केवल एक 5 है आपके पास यहाँ पे, इस 5 को अगर हटा दें तो ये perfect cube हो जाएगा. So to make it a perfect cube, by which number should be divided? So we should divide it by 5. By which number should be multiplied? To multiply it by 25. Okay. So this is not all about. This is something about cube and cube roots. One more example I can take. And I wish you all to take a rough copy and a pen with you always whenever you are taking the online class or anything. Okay, so we have a question 216 upon 2197. We have to find the cube root of. This means prime factorization of 216. So 2 5s 2 2s are 2 7s are, so 3 will come. Okay, so we can write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, and now 2197. 2197 means 3 7 are 21. No, 3 से नहीं कट होगा. 7 3 जा इससे कट होगा ये. Let us check by which number should be divided. 13 to 13 to 13. So we can see only prime numbers we will take. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So 13 will divide this and we will get 13 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 13. I have seen it from my book. Okay. So the answer cube root will be this. Cube root sign will be inside this. Okay. So 2 multiplied by 3 because triplet of 2, triplet of 3, triplet of 13. So 6 upon 13 will be the answer of this. Okay. Thank you so much. Please practice all these questions again. See you soon. Thank you.